Bam, there it is.
Beautiful morning, and in front of us is a TRD Pro 4Runner. Set up pretty well from the factory, and the owners want to upgrade a roof rack to just a full size so they can put a rooftop tent. But looks like they tried to take it off themselves and they couldn't. They stripped some of this the hex bolts and they actually took it to the dealer. The dealer couldn't do it. Yeah, so we're gonna have to try to do it. The roof rack came in a couple of days ago and I put it together without showing you guys, but it's pretty simple. It's gonna go on top of the roof and should be nice, you know, pretty nice. All right guys, so these are the bolts that hold down the old roof rack. As you can see, it's a T40. If you don't have the right tool or you're kind of going sideways, strip out. Very bad, no good. Goners. So what I'm doing now is applying pressure. When you apply pressure, it doesn't allow it to come up and slip. You ever get this? You got 6 bolts and you get all 5 and the last one, it's stripped. And this is the case, you know, I'm like, oh yeah, getting cocky, you gotta push it real good and turn it around, and that's not working. So now we gotta drill it out. Thing is, we're gonna drill this, get the top off, and then lift the whole roof rack off, investigate what's happening in the roots, the corny of it, you know. Here we go. What am I missing? We have drilled through the head. Now we can lift up the roof rack. Alright guys, so when we drilled the top portion of it, the nut is, when you drill it out, it falls through. Now it's dangling in there. We have to get it out. Not only do we have to get it out, I'm going to put new hardware in the bottom and I want to put silicone, because when I popped it open there was a couple of drips of water and I don't want anything to be damaged here, especially the airbag system. It could be expensive. So we're going to take everything apart and continue on.
Bam, there it is. See that?
The back of the rack uses factory mounts. The front needs to be drilled and these inserts go in. When you jam it up, this thing squeezes and tightens up and this becomes like a rivet nut. All right, we're gonna drill a hole, 11/32s. Let's do it. There it is. Put this in to the hole. We're gonna put a little caulk on it. Okay guys, we are done, but I gotta tell you, this wasn't easy. The reason is all these rivet nuts or nuts that are behind underneath the roof, they're all tortured. So we had to almost take the whole roof liner off, drill, caulk, all kinds of things. But we're done. I want to say it took us about, I don't know, 3.5 hours or so. If the customer didn't try to do it themselves, remove the old roof, it would have been a lot easier. But it is what it is, we're done. So